Today we're looking at what colours come in a pack of 48 Honolulu Ohuhu alcohol markers. The Honolulu range of Ohuhus are the brush and chisel tip. We will be filling in the swatch that I made for this set. I made this swatch because I don't particularly like the way the original Ohuhu colour swatches are set out. So the first colour I have is GY6 Anise. Keep in mind too, sometimes the ink from an inkjet will bleed. Try and avoid the sides if you've got an inkjet printer. Y3 Barium Yellow. Y2 Sunflower. YR2 Marigold. YR1 Dark Yellow. YR3 Orange. R9 Pastel Rose. R10 Pastel Pink. RP1 Vivid Reddish Purple. P1 Vivid Purple. R5 Cherry Pink. R7 Old Red. R8 Geranium. R1 Coral Pink. R2 Vermilion. R4 Deep Red. R11 Mauve Shadow. P3 Pastel Violet. Don't do what I just did and decap your marker over your work. As you can see, you'll get splotches. P4 Lavender. P2 Light Violet. You'll also notice my swatches are set up to run left, right, left. You get the graduation of colour in a flow rather than it coming in with like the mauve shadow over here. Because by the time you get down to terracotta, all the way down here, if that was right there, it wouldn't flow as well. P5 Aubergine. PB1 Sky Blue. PB7 Pastel Blue. PB8 Cerulean Blue. PB9 Cloud Blue. PB6 Royal Blue. PB2 Brilliant Blue. BR3 Rose Beige. YR4 Salmon Pink. BR2 Potato Brown. BR1 Raw Umber. YR5 Terracotta. GY1 Pale Green. GY3 Bud Green. GY2 Grass Green. G8 Glass Green. G2 Vivid Green. G1 Emerald Green. BG1 Turquoise Green. GY4 Yellow Green. GY5 Absinthe. PB10 Turquoise Green Light. G5 Turquoise Ink Blue. Warm Grey 1. Cool Grey 2.0, Cool Grey 2.4. The more you press down, the more ink comes out. Cool Grey 2.7. That's a little bit better. 120 black. And of course, colourless blender. This is a really good starter set because when you look at what you get in your 24 set compared to your 48 set, you get a bit of variety with that one. So if I was going to buy a small set, I would probably go with the 48 over the 24. If you are doing a little bit of research before you buy some Ohuhus, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, as I will be coming out with the 72 Honolulu Marker Set swatch next.